Hello students, good evening. Here I am to solve some questions from afternoon examination. So in that exam, first question, the major product of the reaction is, in this case here lithium aluminum hydride is a reducing agent. So this reduces the functional group but not double bond. So here option 1, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, these reagents do not reduce the double bond. But in specific conditions that double bonds also reduced by the sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride, and those conditions already we discussed in a teaching class. Okay, and next the suitable reagent for the given conversion is, this is the keto ester. In this case here the ester is not reduced. Okay, that ester group is not reduced and keto group is reduced. So with the lithium aluminum hydride ester is also reduced. With the lithium borohydride, actually with the sodium borohydride NaBH4, that ester group is not reduced. But with the lithium borohydride little bit more reactive than the sodium borohydride. So here the ester group is reduced by the lithium borohydride. And dibol H, by the dibol H, that ester group is reduced, but here that ester group is reduced to aldehyde. But here in this case here ester group remains same, that is not affected by any reagent. Here in this case sodium borohydride do not reduce the ester and that reduce only ketone. So suitable reagent is sodium borohydride. And next here 2,3,4,5,6 pentahydroxyhexanol. 2,3,4,5,6 pentahydroxyhexanol means nothing but hexanol aldehyde, that is. So here CH, 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 CH and CH2. So hexanol 6 carbons and is the first carbon 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pentahydroxyhexanol. In this case how many hydroxy groups? So actually 5 hydroxy groups. Actually it is nothing but glucose. Actually I have given IUPAC name of the glucose. So this one treating with red phosphorus and HA. Already you discussed in a teaching class. This aldehyde group is converted to CH3 and this is converted to CH2. That means here OH converted to H and totally CH and hydrogen CH2. So here that produce N-hexane is the product. Glucose on reduction with the HA, red phosphorus HA, that gives N-hexane. Even fructose also gives N-hexane on reduction with red phosphorus and HI. Okay, so answer is N-hexane is the answer. Next product of the reaction is, so in this case here diborane that reduce only mostly amides and carboxylic acids. So in this case actually here this ester group is not reduced by the borane, but here this amide group is reduced. In the amide CO converted to CH2. So option C. Okay, the diborane is the specific reagent for the carboxylic acids as well as amides. Esters and acid halides are not reduced by the diborane. Okay, which of the following alkali is more reactive in dehydration process? So actually here, based on the carbocation stability, we can explain the reactivity of the reactivity of alcohols in dehydration. So in this case, what is the carbocation? After loss of water molecule, here actually OH is protonated by H2SO4, then H2O removal, we will get this carbocation. In this case, we will get the tertiary carbocation. In this case, we will get the primary carbocation. And here in this case, we will get that tertiary carbocation. Now in this case, actually here this is a phenyl attached carbocation. This is phenyl attached carbocation. That means here this carbocation is stabilized by the resonance. Okay. So in the second option is also tertiary carbocation. It is also tertiary carbocation. Here alpha hydrogens, 9 alpha hydrogens, but in this case 5 alpha hydrogens plus resonance is there. So it is stabilized by the resonance and as well as the hyperconjugation. So that carbocation is more stable. So corresponding alkali is more reactive in a dehydration process. Okay, that's it. And next one more reaction Then one more question. Which of the following is not suitable reagent for the conversion of allyl alcohol to acrolein? So actually here the point is allyl alcohol to acrolein. Allyl alcohol means here this is the allyl alcohol. And what is the acrolein? CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O H. So it is an oxidation reaction actually. Okay, it is an oxidation reaction. So in this oxidation reaction, which reagent is a suitable reagent? Actually this question is not suitable. Okay, so actually here by using MnO2, that allyl alcohol group is oxidized to aldehyde. By treating with PCC, double bond is not affected. So alcohol group is oxidized to aldehyde. And copper at 300 degrees centigrade. In this case, primary alcohol group also oxidized to aldehyde. But H plus KMnO4. So what is the product with the acidified KMnO4? Okay. What is the product with acidified KMnO4? With acidified KMnO4, so with acidified potassium permanganate, actually here heating is also mentioned. That means it is a hot acidified KMnO4. With hot acidified KMnO4, this double bond breaking also takes place. It is converted to CO2 and this is converted to carboxylic acid, and the primary alkyl group is also converted to acid group. Okay, so here for this conversion allyl alcohol to acrolein, this acidified potassium dichromate is not suitable. Okay, that is the sixth question.